Today we have some groundbreaking news that will leave you in awe. OpenAI has just unveiled their latest masterpiece, GPT-5. That's right, the 5th generation of the Generative Pre-trained Transformer series is here, and it's taking artificial intelligence and natural language processing to a whole new level. So without further ado, let us dive right in and explore everything we know so far about GPT-5. The unveiling of GPT-5 marks a significant milestone in the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Developed by OpenAI, GPT-5 represents the 5th generation of the Generative Pre-trained Transformer series, promising even more impressive capabilities compared to its predecessors. Enhanced Model Architecture. GPT-5 builds upon the Transformer architecture, which has proven highly successful in capturing long-range dependencies and context in language processing tasks. However, unlike its predecessors, GPT-5 utilizes a more extensive and deeper model architecture, boasting hundreds of billions of parameters. This quantum leap in parameter count enhances its capacity to process and generate text, leading to more accurate and contextually relevant outputs. Training and data. The development of GPT-5 involved an extensive training process, utilizing vast amounts of data from the internet, including text, images, and even audio. The model was trained on data from various sources, such as books, articles, and websites, allowing it to learn from diverse contexts and become more versatile in its understanding of language. Transfer learning and adaptability. GPT-5's immense parameter count contributes to its exceptional ability to adapt and perform well on a wide range of language-related tasks. Through transfer learning, GPT-5 can leverage the knowledge it acquired during pre-training and fine-tune it on specific tasks. This feature significantly reduces the need for extensive task-specific training data, making it an invaluable tool for various applications. Multimodal capabilities. Perhaps one of the most groundbreaking aspects of GPT-5 is its integration of multimodal capabilities. This means that the model can process and understand information from multiple modalities simultaneously. For instance, if given an image and a caption describing it, GPT-5 can relate the two and generate a more contextually appropriate response. This multimodal learning extends beyond just images. It also includes audio and video data, making the model even more versatile in understanding and generating content across different media formats. This new dimension of multimodal learning significantly impacts several applications. In the field of content creation, GPT-5 can use images or audio prompts to produce more engaging and creative output. In virtual assistants, the model can analyze both textual and auditory inputs, providing a more comprehensive and human-like conversational experience. Moreover, multimodal learning enables GPT-5 to excel in real-time language translation, as it can now process spoken words, written text, and visual cues together to deliver more accurate and contextually appropriate translations. Multilingual competence. One of the most remarkable advancements of GPT-5 is its enhanced multilingual competence. With its larger parameter count, the model can learn and represent the complexities of multiple languages, enabling it to understand and generate text in numerous tongues. This development marks a significant step towards more inclusive and globally accessible language models. Contextual understanding. GPT-5's expanded architecture allows for a deeper understanding of context in language. It can recognize and interpret subtle nuances, idiomatic expressions, and cultural references, thereby generating responses that are contextually more appropriate and human-like. Improved common sense reasoning. While GPT-4 showcased improvements in common sense reasoning, GPT-5 takes this further with a more comprehensive understanding of everyday knowledge and logical reasoning. It can answer questions requiring reasoning beyond the immediate context, providing more accurate and coherent responses. Few-shot learning and adaptability. GPT-5 continues the trend of few-shot learning, demonstrating its ability to learn from a limited amount of training data. This feature greatly reduces the need for extensive fine-tuning, making it more accessible to a wider range of users. Developers can now deploy the model with relative ease, even for specialized domains or niche applications, without the need for an extensive dataset. Furthermore, GPT-5 exhibits enhanced adaptability to new domains and tasks, showcasing its ability to generalize well. By leveraging the knowledge and patterns learned during its initial training, the model can quickly adapt to different contexts and perform well in tasks it hasn't encountered before. This adaptability extends to a broader range of industries, from healthcare to finance, allowing GPT-5 to make a significant impact across various sectors. Ethical considerations and bias mitigation. While GPT-5's capabilities are impressive, they also bring forth ethical concerns that need careful consideration. The model's ability to generate human-like text raises challenges in determining the authenticity of content. Misinformation, fake news, and deepfakes are potential risks associated with this technology. The developers of GPT-5 have taken a proactive approach by promoting ethical use and transparency, urging users to disclose when AI-generated content. Applications of GPT-5. GPT-5's powerful language understanding and multimodal capabilities open the door to a wide range of applications across various industries. Natural language understanding and generation. GPT-5's advanced contextual understanding makes it invaluable in applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and language translation services. Its enhanced multilingual capabilities allow it to bridge language barriers and facilitate communication between individuals from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Content creation and copywriting. GPT-5's ability to generate contextually relevant and creative text make it an excellent tool for content creators, writers, and marketers. It can produce articles, blog posts, and marketing copy, thereby streamlining content creation processes. Personalized recommendations. With its improved understanding of user preferences and interests, GPT-5 can provide highly accurate and personalized recommendations for products, services, and content, enhancing the user experience in various applications. Education and e-learning. GPT-5's common sense reasoning and adaptability make it a valuable asset in educational settings. It can assist students with homework, provide explanations for complex concepts, and create interactive learning experiences. Healthcare and biomedical research. GPT-5's vast knowledge base and ability to comprehend scientific literature can be leveraged in healthcare for tasks such as medical record analysis, drug discovery, and patient support. GPT-5 represents a remarkable leap in AI language models, incorporating enhanced language understanding, multimodal capabilities, and improved adaptability. The potential applications are vast and diverse, spanning multiple industries and sectors. However, developers must be vigilant in addressing ethical considerations, bias mitigation, and potential challenges that come with this technology. By responsibly harnessing the power of GPT-5, we can unlock its transformative potential while ensuring its safe and beneficial integration into our daily lives. As researchers continue to refine and improve upon GPT-5's capabilities, it is essential to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. By approaching AI development ethically and transparently, we can truly harness the power of GPT-5 for the betterment of society.